Hello everyone, and welcome to Get Healthy. I'm Dr. Dona Cooper-Dockery, an internal medicine physician and founder of Cooper Wellness Center. Today we're talking about 7 everyday foods that research links to powerful anti-cancer actions. Things like lowering inflammation, improving hormone balance, slowing cancer cell growth, and even triggering programmed cancer cell death, which scientists call apoptosis. Food is not a replacement for medical care or treatment, but used wisely, it can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Let's walk through the why, the foods, and simple ways to use them. Let's start with a quick, friendly tour of what helps breast cancer grow. Cancer does better in an environment of chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. It also feeds on hormonal imbalances, especially high estrogen activity. In some types of breast cancer, it takes advantage of disturbed cell signaling pathways that tell cells to grow and spread. The hopeful news is that certain plant foods deliver specific natural compounds like sulforaphane, anthocyanins, organosulfur compounds, lignans, beta-glucans, and carotenoids. These compounds have been shown in lab studies and supported by human research to reduce inflammation, protect our DNA, improve estrogen metabolism, slow abnormal cell growth, and support our immune system. Now let's move through the 7 foods one by one with plain language science and easy daily steps. First, cruciferous vegetables. This family includes broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage. Crucifers are rich in sulforaphane and indole compounds that the body converts to DIM, diindolylmethane. DIM helps shift estrogen toward weaker, less active forms and supports detox enzymes that clear hormones safely. These compounds help your cells make more protective detox enzymes. They also shift estrogen metabolism towards safer forms and can put the brakes on cancer cell growth in lab models. Aim for 1 to 2 cups most days. Lightly steam or enjoy raw. If you cook your broccoli until soft, sprinkle a little mustard powder or add a few shreds of raw crucifer at the end. That restores the enzyme needed to make sulforaphane. Try a lemon garlic kale salad or roasted Brussels with balsamic. In simple terms, DIM, diindolylmethane, forms in your body from crucifers and helps shift estrogen toward weaker forms while supporting detox enzymes. One of the key reasons these vegetables are linked to breast health. Second, berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries carry anthocyanins and ellagic acid, colorful compounds that act like tiny shields against oxidative stress. In studies, they help slow proliferation, reduce new blood vessel growth to tumors, and encourage cancer cells to self-destruct. The fiber in berries also helps your body eliminate excess estrogen through the gut. 1/2 to 1 cup daily, fresh or frozen, add to oatmeal, blend into a smoothie, or spoon over plain plant yogurt. Third, the allium family, garlic, onions, leeks, shallots, and scallions. When you chop or crush garlic and onions, they release organosulfur compounds, allicin and related molecules that support natural detox pathways and can interfere with cancer cell metabolism in lab studies. Observational research often links higher allium intake with lower risk of several cancers. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic a day and a generous serving of onions in soups, sautés, and salads. Pro tip, crush garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize those helpful compounds. Fourth, turmeric. We're talking about the bright yellow spice and especially its key compound, curcumin. Why it matters? Curcumin is a multitasker. It helps calm inflammatory switches like NF-κB reduces signals that tell tumors to grow new blood vessels and can make cancer cells more sensitive to therapy in preclinical models. Culinary turmeric daily if you enjoy the flavor. Combine with a pinch of black pepper and a little healthy fat to support absorption. A simple idea is a turmeric ginger dressing over greens or a golden lentil stew. If you're considering concentrated supplements, please talk with your clinician first, especially if you use blood thinners. Fifth, flax seeds, freshly ground. Flax provides lignans, plant compounds that gently modulate estrogen receptors and shift estrogen metabolism towards safer pathways. Clinical studies show flax can favorably influence tumor proliferation markers and hormone profiles. Flax also brings fiber and plant omega-3 fats, 1 to 2 tablespoons ground daily. Whole seeds pass right through. Stir ground flax into smoothies, oatmeal, soups, or sprinkle on salads. Sixth, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collards, arugula, and mixed salad greens. Leafy greens deliver folate for DNA repair, chlorophyll for gentle detox support, and carotenoids that have been linked in studies to lower breast cancer risk. They also pack fiber and minerals that calm inflammation and support overall metabolic health. 1 to 3 cups a day, raw or cooked. Think big daily salad, sauteed collards with lemon or a handful of arugula on almost anything. Seventh, mushrooms such as shiitake, maitake, oyster, crimini, and even white button mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in beta-glucans that support immune cells like natural killer cells and macrophages. White button mushrooms show aromatase inhibiting activity in lab studies. Aromatase is the enzyme that makes estrogen, so dialing it down can be helpful in estrogen receptor positive settings. Observational research has found association between regular mushroom intake and lower cancer risk. Always cook mushrooms to improve digestibility and safety. Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup cooked on most days. Saute with onions and garlic or slip them into soups and stir fries. Let's take a short bridge and connect the plate to the bigger picture of lifestyle. First, fiber is your quiet superpower. A fiber-rich pattern, whole grains, beans, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds helps the gut bind and remove excess estrogen, trains the immune system, and feeds beneficial bacteria that make anti-inflammatory compounds. A helpful daily goal for many adults is around 30 grams of fiber, sometimes a little more, based on your clinician's advice. Second, insulin and growth signals. High insulin and IGF-1 signaling can push cancer growth. Plant-dominant meals, steady movement, restful sleep, and stress care improve insulin sensitivity. That creates a body environment that is less friendly to cancer. Third, a word about soy, because many people ask. Whole soy foods like tofu, tempeh, and edamame contain isoflavones that bind to estrogen receptors more weakly than our own estrogen. Large population studies, including in breast cancer survivors, associate regular whole soy intake with lower recurrence and better survival. If you enjoy soy, choose minimally processed forms. If you prefer not to include soy, you can still build a powerful anti-cancer plate with the 7 foods we covered. Now let's put this into daily life without overwhelm. Pick 2 starting points for the next 7 days. Maybe you add a berry flax smoothie at breakfast. That's berries plus 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax. Maybe lunch becomes a big leafy green salad topped with warm roasted broccoli and chickpeas with a turmeric lemon dressing. Maybe dinner includes a garlic onion mushroom sauté spooned over quinoa with a side of balsamic Brussels sprouts. Small steps done consistently reshape the inner environment where health happens. A few safety notes. If you are in active treatment, always loop in your oncology team about diet changes and any supplements. Turmeric as a spice is generally safe, but concentrated curcumin may interact with medications. If you are on the blood thinners or have gallbladder disease, talk to your clinician. If you are sensitive to high fiber foods, build up slowly and drink water. And remember to cook mushrooms thoroughly. Let's recap in one breath. Cruciferous vegetables bring sulforaphane and DIM to help detox and balance estrogen metabolism. Berries deliver anthocyanins that slow growth and support apoptosis. Garlic and onions offer organosulfur compounds that protect DNA and help detox. Turmeric's curcumin calms inflammatory switches and growth signals. Flaxseed lignans help modulate estrogen and bring fiber and omega-3. Leafy greens provide folate, carotenoids, minerals, and abundant fiber. Cooked mushrooms add beta-glucans for immune support and may reduce aromatase activity. Your kitchen can be a clinic for prevention, and your next shop can be a powerful step toward healing. If this episode served you, share it with someone you love. For meal plans, recipes, and physician-led programs, visit cooperwellnesscenter.com.